of Safashar in the north of Fars province, Iran, is famous for its pristine beauty and delightful landscapes. If you're looking to discover the natural and historical attractions of this area, you can enjoy its lush forests and beautiful vistas, which sometimes remind you of the nature in the north of Iran. For those interested in nature tourism, Safashar and other northern areas of Fars province can offer a memorable and unique experience. From lush forests to hot springs and ancient villages with traditional architecture, all are waiting to be discovered by nature enthusiasts. If you plan to travel to these areas, I suggest you have a detailed plan before your trip so you can enjoy all the attractions it has to offer.
Give me energy by subscribing, liking, and commenting.
The majesty of mountains. In the heart of nature's grand design, where the sky kisses the earth, the majestic mountains stand as timeless sentinels. They rise with such grace and might, their peaks piercing the heavens, challenging the very limits of our imagination. The whispering winds. As the winds weave through the valleys, they carry with them the secrets of the ancients. Each gust is a storyteller, recounting tales of the wild, the untamed beauty that thrives in the mountain's embrace. The mountains are not just stone and soil. For the adventurous spirit, the mountains call out, promising the thrill of discovery. Each path offers a new mystery, a chance to explore the uncharted, to find oneself amidst the vastness of creation. A symphony of colors. With the changing seasons, the mountains don a new cloak. The greens of spring give way to summer's vibrant hues, followed by the fiery palette of autumn, and finally, the serene whites of winter, a symphony of colors played out on nature's grandest stage.
چطوری؟ خوبی؟ برو. دشت خوبه؟ علف خوبه امسال؟ بارون زده حال میکنی ها. برو. خوش بگذره بهت.
Subscribe me to get the next videos.